There is no easy way. No matter what I do, somebody gets hurt.
Jack, I want you to draw me like one of your French girls. Wearing this.
All right.
Wearing only this.
And I'm so stupid to make the biggest mistake of falling in love with my best friend.
Gamit ang anak ko, kinuha niyo without informing us. Nung pumunta ako doon, andun yung aircon, nakikijambil, wala ang remote.
Ano ba niya ako? Isa lang akong hamak na best friend.
Ako na lang. Ako na lang ulit.
Baliw ang nagsasabing isinilang na ang aking karibal. You'll never make it.
Gusto ko sanang humingi sa'yo ng sorry.
Sorry?
Nung tayo.
There was never an us.
Baka meron dyan mag-isa lang. Walang boyfriend, walang asawa, walang kamag-anak. O, isa na lang, larga na.
Oo na! Ako na! Ako na! Ako na mag-isa! Bakit ganon? Sinabon ko naman! Ayaw kuminis!
And